everyone, I am Prince Charles Constantino from 11 Yums Amarsola and the House of Ravenclaw. The Unfriended was released on March 9, 2018 and the movie was directed by Stephen Sasko. The characters of the film: the protagonist Matias, Amaya, Matias' girlfriend, Kelly, Amaya's friend, and his friends they are DJ Lex, AJ, Damon, Neri, and Serena. The antagonist is Nora C4 aka Sharon Ford, the owner of the laptop. It started when a man who finds a laptop, a group of friends who gather online for their regular game night. Matias discovers a hidden folder on the laptop, which leads to a web of dark and dangerous secrets. Soon discovers that the previous owner is watching every move he makes, causing him to explore the dark web, which results in a terrible sequence of events. The movie looks at issues that such internet security, privacy, and the danger of the digital world. Is there any trends in ICT that tackled in the film? Yes, it is assistive media because Matias created a web that called Papaya for his girlfriend Amaya, and he used Papaya for better communication with his girlfriend who can speak. Other one is spyware, the hackers or the group watching them. And the last one, especially the social media. Matias and his friends, they use Skype and Facebook. Is there any internet threats that shown in the film? Yes. First one is illegal activities. The dark web exposes the characters to illegal and disturbing content, including snuff films and criminal activities which puts them in grave danger. Second is hacking and identity theft. The dark web poses a threat as the character's personal information is comprised, leading into potential identity theft. The lessons that I have learned in this film: be mindful of what you share online. The movie shows how the hackers can easily hack the personal information and can be accessed and use it against us.